The energy dilemma is not going away anytime soon.
Buildings account for 40% of all energy use and probably 75 to 80% of all electricity used in the world today.
Schneider Electric. Green Building Solutions. The demand for energy is rapidly increasing and could possibly double by 2050. With buildings accounting for nearly half of the world's energy use, it's imperative that we find a way to greatly reduce buildings' energy consumption.
You know, if I could wave a magic wand and every building in the world could be a green building right now, by today's definition globally, we would achieve probably 40 to 50% energy reduction.
And that's why so many property developers, building owners, managers and architects are designing green buildings.
Green buildings are basically energy and resource efficient buildings.
But a building's efficiency isn't only determined by how it's constructed. It's about how it's managed. To maximize efficiencies and minimize waste, all building systems need to be integrated, working seamlessly together.
One of the issues with the current design is the fact that it's still very much a siloed approach. In other words, the building management system is one silo, the metering systems could be another silo, HVAC could be another silo, because the belief is that drives CapEx savings. In reality, it does not.
In new construction, obviously, there's a profit lever in that you have fewer systems. You have a single network infrastructure, and you have systems that are integrated, not redundant with each other. And it adds to the value of the building, both on initial sale, and the asset valuation, but also as you look at the value of the building over time, it costs less to operate.
And that's where Schneider Electric comes in, with EcoStruxure architecture for high-performance green buildings. EcoStruxure integrated architecture allows customers to see, measure and manage energy use across their entire facility or enterprise, from the boardroom to the IT room to the boiler room and beyond.
Schneider Electric's open architecture EcoStruxure solution is designed to touch every element of a building's operation and performance. For instance, we're measuring the incoming power quality coming from the utility company, all the way through to providing information back to an occupant at his cube as to what that floor or that area of his floor is using from an energy consumption perspective.
Schneider Electric's energy management and certification expertise delivers value at all phases of a building's life cycle, from the integrative design-build process to systems installation and commissioning, to ongoing energy management services, ensuring your buildings continue to operate at peak efficiency.
We are focused on high-performance buildings that deliver triple bottom-line results. And what that means is that these buildings impact people, profit, and the planet in a positive way.
Schneider Electric offers products and solutions that can make any building green. From a new design, where we get involved in the integrated design process with the client in a collaborative approach, or on an existing building, we look at energy conservation measures, we can look at metering systems, we can look at demand response, all designed to drive an existing building's footprint down.
But how much can someone really save by going green?
We talk about 30% at Schneider Electric as being something that we can deliver very typically, and that's true. Frankly, we've been involved in designing positive energy buildings that actually generate more than they use.
And Schneider Electric's customers are already seeing the results. The TNT Centre in the Netherlands. Schneider Electric's integrative approach helped this global transportation company achieve positive energy status and meet corporate social responsibility goals of 100% renewable energy sources, 10% reduction in total cost of ownership, and 1.5% increase in employee productivity at their global headquarters. And Genzyme Center in the US. Schneider Electric's intelligent building management system enabled this biotech company's headquarters to reduce energy by 42%, water by 34%, and employee sick time by 5%.
Helping people understand the value of data and the connection to building management. It's one of the most important jobs at the table, and we're very, very happy Schneider Electric is a part of it.
And Schneider Electric will continue to be a partner on the path to a net zero sustainable future in which buildings will be key contributors, no longer merely consuming energy, but instead producing, storing, and serving it back to the community. The green buildings of the future will ensure communities are efficient, sustainable, and livable, benefiting people, profit, and planet.